going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be going over the new legendary and epic variants of the pump shotgun and stuff. New LTM, it just like updated, guys. So hugs and flowers, royal hearts and flower gear. Okay. okay, let's go. So let's check the item shop first. What? You're actually no. Buy as gift. It's out. It's actually out. You're actually, dude, it's out. It's what? You're uh you're telling me that the gifting system's out. Like, oh my god. It's literally out. No, not kidding. Dude, it is. Wait. Yes. I'm gonna accept, like, but we have to be friends though. So I'm gonna put that on. Okay. What the? Okay then. Let's go into Team Rumble. Yeah, it's too large. It's like 50-50 pretty much because it says 2 teams. 100 eliminations. Okay. Can you like gift straight from the locker? No, the leak was right. You actually can't. So that's actually pretty sick. Oh my god, wait. I had like I just have like pretty much random skins on, but I was trying that skin. So trying all my skins. I'm gonna put on the bullseye skin real quick, like after this match. Okay, it's all about the eliminations. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you like. Oh, wait, it's 20. Oh, it's 20v20. Well, yeah. By the way, guys, I'm getting a new mouse so that I can actually build by using a mouse. Okay, so let's just get some kills. Actually, wait, what? Okay, pretty sure glider redeploy is in this. I can't speak sometimes. Okay, so let's get like, oh, wait. Yeah, I'm just gonna land tilted. I don't care about that. Okay, that does look like a pump, because I'm pretty sure. Yeah, that's a pump. Or nope, that's not a pump. Well, while we're like here, let's try to loot for like the new gun. Wait, what? Oh, it's part of my daily quest. So, guys, week 10 is coming out, and it only has what? So, like a couple days ago, there was only like 2 here, but now there's actually a lot. I just figured that out now. That's actually sick. But yes, glider redeploys here. I haven't made a video in so long. It's pretty much just like I can't speak English. Pretty much, it's pretty hard. Bro, why do you go so slow? Wait, why did I go so slow? What the heck? Why did I go so slow? Is that like glider redeploy only? I'm guessing it is. Okay, so when I get the mouse, I'm gonna change this here keybind, the 5. I'm gonna change that to X, and I'm gonna change the 1 keybind to like, I don't know. I actually don't know. Okay, there's like guys outside. Guys, I do not want to waste time because I like don't have that much time right now. Yeah, why do we go so slow? This is weird. So I'm guessing there's like pickup speed now? I don't know. You have to like pick up your speed. Okay. Let's just go up. I'm actually gonna loot a little bit. See if I can find this gun. And if we can not find it here, we're gonna go in playground. You're probably wondering why I just dropped that. Well, sure it's because of this. So we all have like 2 kills and stuff. I'm just gonna go to their side because you know why the heck not. Wait, what? Oh, did my glider? Like my glider just started like randomly going out. Okay, so there is so there is pickup speed. Okay. I think. I don't know. There's something new. This is gonna take so long to land. Okay, let's land on this chest. Wait, is that a pump? That is a pump. I am not stupid. Or yeah, okay, okay. Alright, wait, what? He just looks like a new one. Not even because of ammo. Just because. Okay. Dude, I forget this so like not good. So I'm guessing respawn is on. It doesn't say that respawn is on, but I think it is. God dang it. More shells. Okay, I don't actually want to use deploy that much. I'm still gonna search, like, it doesn't matter when or why. I'm just gonna keep searching for this, like, new gun. It's pretty easy to grind out quests, too. Probably people are, like, gonna tell me I should have picked up that heavy sniper, but I think the hunter rifle is better, honestly. I mean, it does less damage, but, you know, better strats. Better strats. So since I'm in the enemies, like, thing, I'm gonna be able to build so much faster. Like, okay. So there's this, like, challenge going on right now, which is, like, turning turbo build off. Freaking, okay. I'm just gonna turn it off for, like, a little bit. Bruh. Okay. But what? Okay, that's no. No. Just no. Actually, no. Okay. Dude, I don't have no materials. How? Okay. That's... Could redeploy is like change forever. Oh, crap. I can't make it. And I have so much, like, I have max shields. Oh, okay. I didn't even look at the circle. God. How am I supposed to go fast enough? How are you supposed to be up with this? Like, oh my god. Dude, why is my ping like going up? I don't understand. Come on, game. I'm pretty sure I can make this. Guys, I'm not gonna make you like, I'm not gonna make you guys bored, so like, I'm just gonna like cut to the next, like, like, okay, well, I can't, but I'm just gonna like dance or something. Actually, like, I'm changing. Well, you know, I died still, but you know, now it's okay. I'm gonna test if I can still shoot and build and stuff. That's my teammate picking up some loot. Okay, so it still works. Okay, I'm like, my voice is like really dead. Oh, it's a blue thingy. He left. What? I mean, I have to drink this, but what the heck? Bro, that was sick. I didn't even have to jump. So much lag comes when I'm trying to build fast. I don't understand. Bruh. Oh my god, he was like 1 health. Like, come on. They're like winning, actually. They have 41 kills, and I just helped them out. So pump does, it just did like 100 damage for body shot, so that's pretty much what I'm trying to show off. Bro. Wait, what? Why? Why? There's literally so many like people that are sniping. Guys, I'm actually wasting no time right now. I'm gonna kill this guy. Oh my god. I can't believe when it happens, you know. Okay, this Skull Trooper skin is gonna die right now. It's probably a fake Skull Trooper anyways. He keeps spilling, man. Oh my god. He keeps spilling. Yo, what the heck? Stop sniping me. Oh my god, everybody's sniping me. Like, not kidding. That's not fun. Okay, I'm just gonna go down. I'm gonna freaking rush that guy. That has to be like That's T.S. Smith right there. Like, clap. That's him. That's that. Oh my god. Bruh! 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 Wait. No, that's okay. Well, guys, I'm leaving right now because, you know, we're not gonna waste any more time. So, what? So, there's no, like, comments. That's kind of weird. Well, we're gonna go on Playgrounds and try to find the new gun. And we're just gonna test how much damage it does. You guys are probably, like, wondering how I'm gonna figure that out. Well, there's, like, a thing that makes you do it. Well, guys, I'll see you guys when I actually, like, try to find it. Like, I'm actually found it. I'm not gonna waste time. Okay? So, guys, I actually just found it. Oh my god. It's not like the best variant. It's not the best one. But I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys what I meant when I, like, said that you can test the damage and stuff. Okay then. I was gonna review the patch notes, but then I found it, so I was like, nah. Okay. Look. Okay, look at this. So you see this? If it's in here, I'm actually, like, so mad. Nope. That's good. Okay, start minigame. Okay. Actually, you have to get the gray version, I'm pretty sure, because that's, like, way better, because then you get, like, because they're standing still. It's way easier to, like, record that instead of, you know, it's not in any of them. Okay, so close up, you get so pretty much body shot you get. Okay, you got five. Okay, okay then. Well, I guess I'm gonna end the video right here then. I guess. Bro, I literally, this thing's in the way. Stop. Okay. It's so easy. Look. This is easy. I'm probably doing it wrong. This is probably the wrong one. I was doing it right before, probably. Keep trying to edit, but then my game just freaking lags. Well, guess I'll, like, see you guys in an hour. Why can't, like, fast editing, like turbo editing, be in the thing? I wish turbo, like, editing would be here. Brother. Okay. Well, guess that's enough for this video. I'll see you guys in another one. So, make sure you smash that like button. And let the outro play, guys.